back to Clarissa's Kitchen. It's the new year and we're starting it right. We're starting on a healthy track with 3 different egg recipes that I'm going to share with you guys. It's simple to make at home. They are easy to meal prep. You can make for breakfast. You could do breakfast for dinner. No matter what, eggs are very versatile and it's a great source of protein. It could be used in many different ways. So the first recipe we'll be making is a very simple egg muffin. It's going to be consisting of eggs, turkey sausage, and spinach. Pop them in the fridge and it's like breakfast on the go. The second recipe we'll be making today is an egg salad. Egg salad's classic, something that you could just have on its own as a snack for lunch. You could pop them on toast, which we'll be doing for this recipe. You can make it into a sandwich. It's something that's very underrated, but also so delicious. So we're gonna be boiling those eggs for that recipe. The third recipe we'll be making is Huevos Rancheros. It's not something that you can store in the fridge, so it's something you have to make on the spot, eat on the spot, and enjoy. But I really love these 3 recipes because they're giving all different types of ways to make eggs. Before we start the recipe, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Subscribe right down below and turn on those notification bells because you'll be alerted for new videos I've been posting almost every single week. So without further ado, let's begin the recipes. you have it, my foodies. Those are my 3 delicious gluten-free and some vegetarian egg recipes. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching them, and hopefully you guys can make these at home. They should be pretty simple, and if you guys do, drop in the comments below. Let me know how you like it. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok, so some of those egg recipes will be on my social media channel. Go follow if you haven't already, because I post videos almost every single day. And give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit those notification bells right down below, and I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen. Bye!